Hey, if you just finished watching the video that I made for you, the 7 signs that you're not dealing with stress effectively and it's taking a toll on you, I want to invite you now to do something about it. Now that you know what the 7 signs are, you've got to implement the strategies that will help you to tackle each of every one of the 7 so you can reduce your stress and you can live in wellness and joy. So originally I thought to give you all the 21 ways in one video, but then I thought, oh my God, you're gonna be stressed and you're gonna be overwhelmed, and that's exactly what we're doing here. We don't want to overload ourselves with stuff. We want to do it step by step. We want to do it strategically. We want to build on success. So what I did, I created 7 videos for you. Each one is talking about one sign and 3 simple ways to start addressing it, creating beautiful habits that you are able to implement, and you can experience success and the results that you're looking for. I have a link here somewhere, or check the script below for the first sign, and then go according to the order, start implementing it. And I'm so looking forward to hearing back from you and seeing what you're implementing and which results you're starting to experience. I look forward to connecting with you very soon, and I'll see you on my next video. Many blessings.